comes.
Thank you.
Jimmy Ryman keeps that airplane in Bassano, Alberta. He's gonna go vertical with that great big airplane. It is big, it is heavy. It's got that big 600 horse Pratt in the front, and it puts out lots of air show smoke. Jimmy is originally from Winnipeg, Manitoba. He joined the Canadian Forces in 1983 as a soldier in the British Canadian Light Infantry. He earned his private through commercial flying licenses, seaplane, and aerobatic flying endorsements in his spare time, and then reclassified to the Air Force as a pilot in 1989. Since then, Jim has served as an instructor pilot on a CT-114 Tudor in Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan, along with a tour of flying the Twin Otter with 440 Squadron Yellowknife, Northwest Territories, and then the T-33 as a fighter combat support pilot in Cold Lake, Alberta with 417 Squadron. Following retirement of the T-33 in 2002, he returned to Moose Jaw and became initial instructors on the Canadian Forces' latest trainer,